Hello there, this is your English teacher, Linda G, with some useful phrases to help you sound more natural and more professional when you speak English. So today we're focusing on business meetings, and these phrases will help you communicate your ideas clearly and confidently. Number one, in my opinion. You want to use this instead of saying, I think. So for example, in my opinion, we should focus on customer feedback first. Let's circle back to that. This is a professional way to say, let's talk about this later. Does that sound good to everyone? This is a polite way to confirm agreement in a meeting. I'd like to add something here. If you have more information to share, this is a great sentence to use. Let's step back, or let's take a step back. This means to stop and look at the bigger picture. Now it's your turn. Try using one of these phrases in a sentence and drop it in the comments.